Okay guys, so we're making these holiday date-filled cookies, and we've creamed the shortening with the brown sugar, and we've added a couple of eggs, and now we're going to continue to add a total of 4 cups of flour. Now, I don't know if you've noticed or not, but I'm using my KitchenAid stand mixer here, and I have it on the lowest gear possible. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want to stress out the motor. If you put this on too high of a gear and the mixture gets too tough for the mixer to handle, it can burn out your motor. Now, I found out the hard way that KitchenAid actually has a protective mechanism built into their stand mixers that's called a worm gear. And the purpose of the worm gear is to brake if the workload gets too hard, and that will actually save you from having to replace the entire motor in your stand mixer. You'll still have to replace the worm gear like I had to do, but that was much cheaper than having to replace the entire motor. So the moral of the story is, guys, if you're making your stand mixer work hard, make sure that you use the lowest possible gear. Okay, these cookies are going to be pretty darn good.